Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to move your WordPress website from local computer to a live website. In my previous video, I showed you how you can make a WordPress website on your local computer, and I made some changes to that website, and this is the final result. As you can see, it looks like a proper website, has multiple pages, portfolio, you can see it looks pretty nice, about us page, and testimonials. And I would like to move this entire website from my local computer to a live server. And as you can see up here, you can see the IP address is a local IP address, and because I'm using Mac, it's a local IP address here. If you're using Windows, you probably have localhost/WordPress. So in order to move your local WordPress site from your computer to live website, the first step is to set up a new WordPress site on a web host. So we're going to need a web hosting for our website. The web hosting is the place where our files and folders will be stored. So in order to get your web hosting, click the link in the description below. And you will land on this page where I'm going to use Bluehost. And if you're wondering why I'm using Bluehost, it's because it's officially recommended by WordPress official website. You can see these are the top 3 web hosting that the WordPress is recommending, and first one is Bluehost. So by using Bluehost is also cheaper than these two. Also, you get free domain name for the first year, and you get a free SSL certificate. So that's why I'm using this one. So go ahead and click on Get Started. Now select the plan that you want. If you just starting out, you want to have only one website, you probably want to go with this one. But if you're going to have multiple websites, you probably want to go with this $5.95 a month package. But for now, I just select this one. Now create a domain name for your website, which is going to be the name of your website. If you already have a domain name, you can just type in your domain name here and click next. If you want to create it through Bluehost, you can just create a new one. I'm just going to go ahead and name my website my new test site 2. And if you're not sure what to name your website, you can just create and click on this. I will create my domain later, and you can add your domain later on. You're still gonna get the domain name for free for the first year. So for now, click on this blue next button, and you will land on this page. You can see this domain name is available, which is good. Go ahead and fill in this information. Just your account information is pretty self-explanatory, nothing really special. And then package that you want. So you can go ahead and you can go with 36 months, which is cheaper. But if you want to go with 12 months, you can just select this one and scroll down a little bit. And you want to uncheck this one, uncheck this one. You can keep the domain privacy if you want, but you can also uncheck this one as well if you want to get rid of it. So turn it off. Put in your credit card details, scroll down a little bit, click on this terms and conditions, accept terms and conditions, and click on this submit button. And once you click on submit, you will get to this page that says welcome to Bluehost, congratulations. You also receive an email. You need to verify that email and then come back here and click on create your password to create a new password. And then you will get to this page, put in your new password, accept the terms of service, and click next. And then click on login. But clicking login, Bluehost basically automatically installs WordPress for you, which makes the whole process even easier. And then you will land on this page where you can choose the theme or the look of your website. For now, we're not going to choose any theme for our website because we're going to set it up later on. And so you need to scroll down to the bottom. It says skip this page and skip this page. And also skip the next couple of pages. And then you get to this page that says all done, which means your web hosting is all set up, your WordPress is all set up, and now you can start building. So click on this start building. And then you will land on this WordPress dashboard. As you can see, the WordPress is installed on our new domain, and this is how the website actually looks. This is the default look of a WordPress website. And now we need to move the content from our local computer with the local IP address to our new website. So in order to move the WordPress from local server to live website, we need to install a plugin on both of our sites, the local one and the server one. So let's start with the local WordPress. So this is the dashboard of my local WordPress site, and as you can see, I got a URL address and WPS-admin. Because I'm using Mac, if you are using Windows, it is going to be probably localhost/WordPress/login, and then you can access your dashboard. Let's go ahead and install the plugin on our local site, and go over to plugins and click on add new. Here, search for the plugin called All-in-One. So the plugin is called All-in-One WP Migration. This is the one that we're going to use. Click on install now and activate. So the plugin is installed and activated on local computer. Now we need to install the same plugin on the server. So let's go back to the dashboard of our website and go over to plugins, add new, search for All-in-One, install now, and activate. Now we have All-in-One WP Migration installed on our server as well as our local computer. So the next step is to export content from our local computer. In order to do that, hover over All-in-One Migration and click on Export. And go to the export and click on File. Now it starts exporting the content into a file. Okay, it's all done. Click on Download and save the file. Now that we have exported the file, we need to go back to our live website and import the file. In order to import the file, go over to All-in-One WP Migration and click on Import. Now click on Import From, File, now, and open the file, and it starts importing the files from our local computer. Now click on Proceed, and the site has been imported successfully to our new server. Click on Finish, and it's all done. So let's go back and see how our site on the server looks. So let's go back to our website and click on Refresh. And boom, we got our content imported from our local website into our server. Nice. This is our server and this is our local site. Very nice. Now, if you would like to log into your WordPress dashboard, simply just add login here and you can log in here. But because we basically imported everything from our local computer into the server, the username and password for the login is going to be the same username and password. I haven't changed the username and password. I'm using Mac, and by default, the username is user and now password. The username and password is going to be the same thing here. Okay, but if you're using Windows, make sure to take note of that username and password and log in through those username and password. And if you're using Mac, make sure to change the username and password because this is not very secure. So this is how you can move your WordPress site from local server to a live website. Also, if you would like to migrate an entire WordPress site to a new host, the process is going to be pretty much the same thing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like it. Also, if you'd like to learn how to create your WordPress website, make sure to check out the next video. See you in the next one.